Hi, good evening. Welcome back to Sharegiants. Now we will see end of the day market report. Before that, we will see how US market closed previous night and how Asian markets closed. Dow Jones lost close to 225 points yesterday night, whereas Nasdaq lost close to 63 points. This acted as a negative flow for all the markets, and all the markets opened in red. Nikkei went down 102 points down, Straight Times down 23 points, Hang Seng down 21 points, and the exception in Asian markets is Taiwan market, which closed in green with a gain of 37 points. Kospi lost close to 3 points, and Shanghai lost close to 13 points. Now we'll see about our market. We opened with a gap down with a heavy selling. We opened around 5705 and we went down to 5682 around at 9:30 within 15 minutes. That's a loss of 60 points from previous day's close. From there we went down to 5659 around at 9:15 within 15 minutes of trade. There we little bit stabilized, but again we started to see selling pressure, and again at 9:50 we have seen a low of 5609. That is, within a gap of 45 minutes we have fallen close to 140 points. At 5609 we have seen some sort of stabilizing, and we went to 5630, which acted as a resistance. The first resistance we made it as 5659, then 5630. Then we started to see heavy selling. Then we went to 5580 at around 10:20. Within 20 minutes we have fallen close to another 50 points. From there we started to fall, and we fall into 5568 around at 11:30. Again we seen selling pressure, and we went to 5517 around at 2 o'clock. From 11:30 to 2 o'clock we have seen a selling of close to 50 points. Then around at 3:20 we first time broken the 5500 level in intraday trades, and we went down to 5496. Sensex lost close to 769 points and closed at 18,598. Nifty was down by 234 points and closed at 5,507. Sensex opened at 19,297, made a high of 19,310 and a low of 18,559. Whereas Nifty opened at 5705, made a high of 5716 and made a low of 5496. Today all the support levels is broken in Nifty, and today is one of the worst days we have seen in the markets for the past 2 years. This kind of a fall we have seen only on September 2011. This is one of the biggest fall in recent trades in the market. Today even rupee breached 62 level, and it went to 62 rupees 0 paisa, and after some point there is selling from RBI, so we reached 61 rupees 65 paisa. Still rupee lost close to 22 paisa against the dollar. Now we'll see about gainers and losers in Nifty today. First we'll see losers. There is gainers, you can count on your finger. It will become like that. BHL lost 10%, JP lost 10%, Reliance Infra lost close to 9%, Axis Bank lost close to 8.5%, and DLF lost 8.5%. Whereas Hero Honda gained 2.5%, Power Grid gained close to 0.9%, HCL Tech gained close to 0.9%. Outside Nifty we'll see what gainers. Straight Sarco gained close to 5%, SR Oil gained close to 5%, Oakheart gained close to 4.4%, KPIT Cummins gained close to 3.3%, Financial Technologies gained close to 2.5%. Losers, Titan lost 12%, Future Retail lost 11%, Punch Lloyd lost close to 11.5%, S Bank lost close to 11%, and Arcom lost close to 11%. This is the first time most of the stocks falling below 10% become a fancy. Now we'll see about European markets. European markets are trading very flat. CAC is trading in a positive of gaining 5 points. DAX is down 15 points and FTSE is down close to 0.5 points. Now we'll see about commodities. Brent crude is trading around $109.94. Gold is trading around 30,210 rupees, gaining close to 1,024 rupees. Silver is trading around 49,319 rupees, gaining close to 2,740 rupees. Now we have to see about Monday how we are going to open. We have taken out all the support levels, and if we can fall in one day close to 250 points, we don't know where we have to keep our support. Tomorrow also we can fall close to another 100 points. So it is possible. Today it has proved that nothing is impossible in the market. Same way we have gone up in 5-6 days from 5486 to close to 5752. We gained close to 260 points in a week. We lost everything in the span of one day. And the stock whichever rallied those time, it's okay. Those who have not rallied also started to fall. Now you have to be very careful. You cannot go on buying. You have to accumulate very slow with a very long time period, because lot of negative sentiment is coming around the market. So we'll see tomorrow on Monday. Same thing about our weekly calls. Until that, thank you. If you have any queries, post in this YouTube video itself, or you can visit our website and put it in our contact us page.